In this video, we're going to talk about the Xero Z sandal. I've had these sandals for coming up close to 2 years, and I want to give you a report on how I really feel about them. I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, where we help you think right, move right, and feel right. If you're new here, be sure to check out the description box for helpful links. You'll find corrective exercises, ideas to help you take power of your body, and more resources on barefoot and minimalist footwear. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Last year, I made a video talking about the Xero Prio running shoes and the Z sandals that I used to travel throughout Europe and go to music festivals and run around, generally causing trouble. So in this video, I wanted to update you on how I feel about these and how they compare to the Xero Genesis sandals. If you are looking at the Xero Genesis sandals, be sure to check out the description box for a link to the video where I talk a little more in depth about the Genesis sandal. So this is the left foot of my Z. You can see that the sole is finally starting to show some reasonable wear. The tread here is starting to wear down and flatten out a little bit. It's still not affecting me that much. The only thing that's starting to really get affected is the Velcro strap back here. So it's just been opened and closed so many times. I think the Velcro is starting to give out, but it still holds on, still feels pretty good. And I still wear these sandals on a very regular basis. So the Z is really helpful for dealing with kind of rockier, rougher terrain than the Genesis, I find. I'll show you that in general, the lateral support that you get in this sandal is much better than the Genesis, which makes it great for going to music festivals and dancing. It's great for hiking around on treacherous terrain, which I do all the time. And it's also really handy to get in and out of easily because of this Velcro strap. So I mentioned that I wear these for specific instances and for specific reasons. I tend to wear the Z when I know I need to get in and out of footwear easily. So if I know I'm going to a class that is going to require me to be barefoot, I'll just wear these to drive in the car and then boop, slip out and then go to class, no problem. If I know I'm going to be on rockier terrain or I need to have lateral motion support so that the sandal sticks with my foot better, then I will wear the Z. If I know that I'm going to be out in the sun for a long period of time, then I don't wear these because they give you a really sexy, terrible looking tan line across your foot. So in that case, I'll start wearing the Genesis sandals because there's less material that covers the top of the foot. Having had these sandals now for about 2 years, I'm pretty happy with them. I purchased them thinking, they'd be reasonably comfortable, and they have been. They've held up for me. Nothing has broken on them. I haven't abused them to the point where they got destroyed. I've gotten them wet, walked through creeks and things, and the leather is fine, the sole is fine, the straps are fine. In general, quite happy with them, and I think if you're looking for a sandal that will let you do all these different activities while being still quite thin at 5.5 millimeters, these are a really good sandal to look at. There's a lot of different options when you're looking at minimalist and barefoot footwear. If you're looking at sandals for Xero, for example, they have multiple kinds of sandals that you could purchase. If you're looking at the Genesis sandals, be sure to check out another video that I already shot about the Genesis sandals so you can make another comparison or a more detailed comparison for yourself. And there are other shoes out there that might be a good fit for you. Hopefully we'll be able to get some more reviews on those sandals as well. If you have any specific sandals that you want to see reviews on, be sure to drop us a comment in the comment section down below. If you want to pick up a pair of Z sandals for yourself and support the Upright Health YouTube channel while you're at it, use the link in the description box to go to the Xero website and get your own pair of Z. That's going to do it for this video. If you liked it, click the like button, hit subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos from Upright Health. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't. Barefoot shoes and blah, 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 where we help you move. Lost my train of thought.